Yeah, here I have to open my Windows. Yeah, yeah. Here is the change password using CMD, create backdoor. These are tools to crack the passwords of Windows or Kali Linux. Okay. Here I will use change password using CMD. After that I will use create backdoor. Okay. Any problem? Okay. Now I am opening my virtual box. Virtual box. Okay. Here is the virtual box. And this is my Windows 7. Okay, after opening this, Harish, do you know about CMD? Yeah, CMD it means command prompt. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Here I have set my password. The password is 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 only. Okay. Yeah. This is my Windows, and I have to. Okay. Now this is a full screen, and now I am opening my computer. Okay. Yeah, this one is the my computer. COMPU. Yeah, this is the computer. After that, right click on it and click on manage. Okay. Yeah, you have to click on manage. After that, clicking on manage, you can find this type one. Yeah, you can find this one, local users and group. Okay, so you have to click on this local users and group. After that, you have to click on users. Through here you can find all the users. Okay, here this is the administrator, this is the user which name is Deepak, and this is the guest user. Okay, you can also make the user, also delete the user, anything from here. Okay, so first of all, I want to set the password. I am clicking here set password, hitting here proceed. After that, I am entering here new password and only confirm password. Here is the only two option. One is new password and second one is confirm password. Okay, so I am using here 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Okay. Yeah, it is not asking me for old password, it is only asking me for new password and confirm password. Okay, so you can change this password, and after that hit on OK, and here the password has been set. Okay, so lock this windows, lock this windows, and the password is 1 2 3 and 4. Okay. Yeah, here open this, and I have opened my windows, and here you have to you have to change the password through CMD. So first of all, you have to open CMD. Okay, this is one is the CMD. This one is the CMD, and here you have to open run as administrator. Okay, I have opened this, but first of all, I have to tell you something about that. Okay, yeah. here is my PDF. Okay, here you have to know that I can change password using CMD through net user. Okay, I can change the password using CMD only through net user. Net user will find all the users in Windows. Okay, okay, any problem? Okay, so I am opening my Windows, and here the command will be only net, sorry, it will be in a small letter, net user. Why I am using this command? No, I am using this command to only find, yeah, to know the user only. Yeah, after that I will change the password because I don't know who is the user in this PC. Okay, so after hitting enter, here command run successfully, command completed successfully. After that you can find three user. First one is administrator, second one is Deepak, and third one is guest. Okay, so now we change the password of Deepak through here. Net user, any problem? No, here is my username is Deepak. Here my username is Deepak. Okay, after that I am using the password 123 only. Okay, any problem? Net user, after that you have to mention the username, and after that you will use any password. Okay, any password, you can use your name, anything. Okay, this is the place for username, this is the place for password. After hitting enter, here this command completed successfully. In previously I have used the password which was 1 2 3 and 4, but here I have used the password is 1 2 3. So lock this Windows. Yeah, lock this Windows, and after that yeah, fill the password 1 2 3 and hit enter, then has opened. Okay, yeah, Harish, any problem? Okay, here now after that you have to create backdoor. Okay, yeah, tell me. Yeah, you can use it, yeah, everything. Yeah, everything. Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows XP, anything. Okay, yeah, but you have to use net user in a small letter, not in capital letter. Okay, yeah, first of all I have to open Google Chrome, and after that I am creating the backdoor using CMD. Okay, here, yeah, here, 1 second, I have to, yeah, first of all I have to know that, yeah, here Google Chrome is open, and here you have to only type create, only you have to type create backdoor using CMD only. What is the meaning of backdoor? Here after lock the Windows, you can access the CMD. Okay, after hitting 5 times shift key. Okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. After hitting 5 times shift key, you can access the CMD from anywhere. Okay, here I am using create backdoor using CMD and hitting enter, then it will give me the some command. You have to open this website. Yeah, it is opening. Yeah, backdoor to reset administrator, and this one is the command. Okay, reg add hklm, this one is the command. Okay, This one is the command, and you have to only copy and paste this in CMD. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. This is yeah. This is the registry page. Okay. Yeah, you can change this. But how can you change this? If you know that, then show me. Here you have to only run this command. You have to copy this command. Okay. And after that, paste this command in CMD only. Bus. Only. Okay. Here you have to only paste this command. Yeah. Okay. I am copying this. Control C. Okay. Control C. After that, here you have to use. Sorry. Yeah. I have used this command, and after that hit enter. Yeah, after that hit enter. Then you can add new user. You can change anything. Okay. Is there any problem? Okay. So after that, this one is the command. And if you want to delete your backdoor, if you want to delete your backdoor, then you have to use this one command, registry delete HKLM. Okay. How is this possible that we can make a backdoor? Okay. How is this possible to make any backdoor in system? So you have to read this PPT. First of all, I have to show you the PPT. This one is the PPT. Okay. Here is the two file in the Windows system. Okay. Here is the two file in the Windows system. The first file is sethek.exe and second file is cmd.exe. Yeah. And when you are creating a backdoor, then you are able to replace this one file from this one. Okay. Sethek.exe will be replaced into cmd.exe. Okay. And after that you can able to make the backdoor. Any problem? Then what is the location of this file? The location of this file is in C drive. After that Windows. After that cmd system 32. Okay. After that you can find this. Yeah. Yeah, tell me again. No, it is pre-installed. It is pre-installed. It is pre-installed. Yeah. No. This is not your problem, because if you are using. Yeah. I understand that you are using Windows 10 of 64-bit. Okay. 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 Tell me in chat box. Yeah. Tell me in chat box. Yeah. Harish, let me show something. After that, you will be clear. Okay. Here it is not a big problem of when you are using Windows of 64-bit. Then this is not a here system 32 is not represent as a 64-bit or 32-bit. Okay. System 30. Yeah. Here is my Dolphin, and here this one is the file which is the file of my Windows. Okay, Windows 10 195.3 GB hard drive is the file of my Windows. Okay, is there any problem? Through Kali Linux, you can access the Windows file. When you are using your double boot PC, in single boot you are using Windows, and in second boot you are using Kali Linux, then you can access the file of Windows. Okay. Okay. Now let me show you something. This one is the file of my C drive of Windows. Okay. C drive of Windows. Here is the Windows, and after that, when I am opening Windows, then I am able to see this file, this system32 file. Okay. Yeah, system32 file, and I'm using also Windows X 64 bit. Yeah, I'm using Windows 64 bit, but system32 is the constant file. It will show you in 32 bit and in 64 bit also. Okay. Now clear. Now clear. This is only the file name. Okay. This is only file name. This doesn't represent any 64 or 32 bit. Okay. Yeah. Now I am opening my Windows. Yeah, here is the my PDF. Here the two file in Windows, which one was cfec.exe and second one was cmd.exe. Yeah, the location is C column Windows slash system32. Okay. And when you are creating backdoor, then yeah, when you are creating backdoor, then you are changing this cfec.exe into cmd.exe. And yeah, and you have to open your CMD as run as administrator. Okay. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, in full screen. Yeah, I am changing this in full screen only. Okay. Yeah. This is the only message for changing the screen into full screen and minimize or maximize this screen. Okay. Here I am opening CMD, and after that you have to open this run as administrator. Okay. Run as administrator, and you have to add the command reg add slash. Remembered or not? Okay. Yeah, and after running this command, when you will hit 5 times shift key, 1 2 3 4 5, yeah, then you can be able to open the CMD. Okay. And you can change anything from CMD. You can access any file from CMD, only creating backdoor. I am locking this Windows plus L, and it will lock. After locking that, I will also able to open CMD from here. How can we open the CMD? So you have to only press 5 times shift key, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, shift 5 times. Yeah. After running the command, yeah, after running the command, you are able to open this CMD from pressing shift key. Okay. Okay. Now you can check anything from here. Net user, net user. After that, you will see all the user. Yeah, here you can find user. Okay. Now you can also use CLS command for clear this. Okay. Now I am using net user. Through here you can also change the password of any user. Okay. Is there any problem? Now I am telling you about that, how to add any user. Okay. If suppose that your username is just like as here I am opening in your chat box. Okay. here is the, suppose that suppose that the username is DEEPAK and after that SINHA. Okay, suppose that this one is the username. Any problem? Suppose that this one is the username. So you have to use after net user double quad. Okay, understand or not? If suppose that, okay, I am showing you. Okay, yeah, this is the PDF. Here through this you can use anything. Yeah, where is the, yeah, you can add or delete anything from here. Okay, I am showing you the command. Yeah, here is the net user. After that, if you want to add any user, I am adding any user as name as, I'm using Harish. Okay, slash, yeah, add. Okay, I am using, I am adding a user. Okay, the name was Harish. After that slash add and hit enter, and the command completed successfully. If you restart your PC, if you restart your PC, then you can find the user which was name was Harish. Okay, here I am using switch user. Yeah, first is Deepak and second one is Harish. Okay, any problem? Yeah, yeah, yeah. It can also, yeah. It can also create a password. I can't hear you clearly, Harish. Yeah, you are using, you are adding user. Okay, so I'm showing you, I understand that. Net user, after that we, when you are using Harish, after that you can use password, anything password. Okay, after that you have to use slash add. Okay, yeah, if you are adding any password, then you can use this one command. Okay, you can use anything in this place. I didn't understand you. Yeah, tell me in chat box. Okay, okay, you can use any password. You can use any password. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. He has to, yeah, so he has to use the double quad. I that yeah, he has to use the code. Harish, Harish, yeah. I'll tell you about that. Okay. Yeah, you have to use double quad and you have to use here is will be the command net user. After that Harish boy, if you are using Harish, after that boy. Okay, and this one is the okay. After that use any password 123 anything. After that slash, after that add. Okay. Okay, if you want to delete the user, I want to delete the user. The user is Harish and I want to delete this. Okay. So I will use this one command. Net user Harish. One second. First of all, I have to check the user. Here Harish is also a user. So I have to delete this. Net user Harish slash delete. Okay. Yeah, the command completed successfully. After that, when you use this one command net user, then Harish will not available. Okay. Yeah, is there any problem? If you want to add any user and want to give the permission as administrator, okay, you want to add a user and want to give the permission of administrator, okay, so I am showing you the command. Okay, 1 minute, wait. Here first of all you have to create a user. Okay, net user Harish. Okay, I am creating a user. Okay, after that I will give this user as an administrator privilege. Okay, net user Harish slash add. Oh, sorry, I have to again reopen. Okay, net user, the username is Harish, Harish, Harish. After that slash add. Okay, is there any problem? Hello. Yeah, I have created a user. The name was Harish, and after that I want to give the administrator privilege. Okay, then the command will be net. The command will be net local group. You have to write all these command in your copy or in your notebook. Okay, here net local group, group, net local group is the command to give the administrator privilege. Net local group, after that you have to use administrator, administrators, administrators, administrators. After that you have to use Harish. After that slash add. Okay, this command will give the administrator privilege to Harish. Okay, yeah, hit enter. The command completed successfully. Okay, now close this and switch user and go on Harish. And here Harish, didn't set any password for Harish, and Harish will open as a administrator privilege. Okay, you can check anything. You can check anything. You can change anything. Okay. Okay. Now this one is the Harish user which I have set up. Okay. It is starting now. Yeah. अरे इतना मस्ती काय काट रहे हो? Hello. Yeah. Here, here you can find this user is Harish, and after that this has a administrator privilege. Okay. Okay. Here you can also change anything. You can also add or delete any user. You can also add user. You can also delete any user. Anything from this. Okay. Is there any problem in this lesson? Now, after that, we will learn about how to, yeah, how to, 1 second here. Here we have to learn about how to bypass password using conboot, okay? Here I have not a conboot password. So first of all, I will tell you about that, okay? So you have to remember some command, okay? What is the command? Here you have to know about SAM and system file, okay? You have to know about SAM and system file. What is the SAM file? What is the system file? You have to know that, okay? In SAM file, in SAM file you can get the password, and in system file you can get the key of passwords, okay? And if your Windows is running, yeah, tell me. Yeah, in SAM database, your password is saved in SAM database, and the key of password is saved in the system database, okay? Yeah, but you can't copy and paste all this file. You can't copy and paste all this SAM file or system file, okay? Because when your Windows 7 is running, here is your Windows 7, and I want to copy SAM database, okay? So first of all, I have to open this. Yeah, go here, open computer. The location is in local disk C. In Windows, after that you have to go on system 32. Can you find the system 32? Yeah, you can find 1 second. Yeah, yeah, this is the system 32. Yeah, after opening this, yeah, system 32. After that you have to open the config file. This one is the config file, and here you don't currently have permission to access this folder. Click continue to permanently get access to the folder. Then I am clicking here continue. Yeah, after that you can find the SAM database and system database, okay? Try to copy this. Try to copy this. If you are able to copy this, then yeah, here I am copying this. I am copying this, and here, yeah, minimize this. After that you will be able to paste. Yeah, 1 second. And after pasting here, you will need to provide administrator's privilege to copy this file, okay? Continue this. Here the action can't be completed because this file is open in system, okay? If you are using, if you are using your Windows, then your SAM file and system file is also opening, and it is running, and in running period you can't able to copy, cut and paste and any delete anything, okay? So you can't able to copy this file. So what will be the process how to copy and paste this file, okay? So how can you copy this file? Through CMD, yeah, good. And the command will be, here. I am showing you. Yeah, This one is the command. You have to write this. Write this command in your notebook. You have to only run this command. Yeah, this one command and this one command. To save, yeah, to save 7 file. This one is the command. To save one file, you have to use this one. Okay. Write this command. Write one first one. Okay. Yeah. Tell me. Okay, I'm sending you in your chat box. Okay. No, it will not copy here. You have only write this. Can you able to see my screen clearly? Yeah, REG save HLM after that SAM. You have to only copy SAM file. So I am using file, and after that C column slash it will show the location where you have to save this file. Okay. So write this one command. Yeah, write this one command to copy SAM file, and write this one command to copy system file. Okay. And also you have to write this one location. Where is the location of SAM and system file? Copied? Any problem? Now you will be able to use this one command, and after that, why I am using this one command and this one command? So I am using this command for copy SAM file, and I am using this one command to copy system file. Okay. Why I am using this? Why I am doing this type of copying and pasting this command? So I use command to copy SAM file, and I am using this one command to copy system file, and through this we are able to crack the password to and okay. Today in my PC I know a care and convert, so I am telling you about that. How can we use this? Okay. So first of all, you have to know that how to make. Yeah, first of all, how to bypass password using okay. Convolt, you can also use Convolt to bootable your pen drive. First of all, you have to bootable your pen drive through Convolt. Okay. Yeah, I am telling you again. Now I am bypassing password using Convolt. Okay. I am bypassing password using Convolt. So you have to make bootable pen drive using Convolt. Okay. First of all, take a pen drive and bootable with Convolt 2. Okay. Convolt 2 look like this. Convolt 2 look like this. Here, if I will install, I will show you. Okay. Can you see my screen now clearly? No. Harish, can you see my screen clearly? Then Sunday have a network problem. Sanjay, are you able to see my screen? Okay, type in your Google Convolt. Okay, Convolt will only type. You can see the image of Convolt. How it will work? You can show it. Okay. First of all, you have to bootable your pen drive to Convolt, and after bootable, you have to off your system. After offing system, you have to press F12 or F10 is the bootable button. Okay. So, yeah. After it will ask you, can you boot the drive want to start your PC? Then you want boot this system with Convolt, and after when you hit, then this type of image will open. I'm showing you this type of image. Yeah, this image show you. Wait for 1 minute. Wait for 1 minute because it is creating network problem from Sanjay's side. Yeah, here is the. You can also check this image. Hello. Yeah, here is the image of phone boot. After booting this, after booting Windows, you can able to see this type of phone boot. Okay. If it will this type, this one type, then your PC is bootable. So pen drive is bootable. After that, you can break your password. Okay. Yeah, you can use any pen drive. Yeah, you have to use the pen drive to make bootable. To make bootable. Sanjay, if I will download the, I will show you how it will. Okay. Because today I have not downloaded Kernel, and if you want to run your Kernel on board, you have sorry. If you want to run your Kernel enable tool, CAIN and able Kernel enable tool, then you have to security of your system. Okay, and yeah, me. This is the Windows. This is the tool for crack the door. For using Conboot for breaking the password of Windows, you have to use Power ISO. Power ISO. Yeah. Power ISO. You can. Yeah. To Power the pen drive Conboot. Okay. Which make pen drive. Yeah. Yeah. Power ISO tool will make pen drive bootable Conboot. Okay. If is there any problem, I will show you. Okay. So you can because when I will use Conboot, so I have to off my PC, okay, and you can't able to see my PC, okay. Yeah. How can I show you? Because when I will boot you my PC, then how can I show you the convert tool. But I will tell you about that. How can I? Yeah. How can I? Okay. But I will tell you about that. How can I boot my pen drive through Conboot? Okay. Okay. Power ISO is a tool to make bootable pen drive. Yeah. Yeah. Tell me clearly. Yeah. You can also. Yeah. You can also select ISO file of. Okay. Okay. Here is the Conboot. Here is the Conboot. Okay. Conboot tool, and it is very simple to use it. Okay. And after that I will download the Care Enable tool, and after that I will show you. Okay. Is there any problem? Have you written this file, this one file location and this one command? Yeah, local group, this one command, net user, net local group command, written or not? Okay. Okay. Now tomorrow we will use open Can Enable tool to bypass the password. Okay, and after that I will use how to bypass the password of Kali Linux also. Okay, I will tell you about the method how to bypass the password of Kali Linux, and how to blank the passwords. How to blank the passwords of Windows. Okay, using Kali Linux, because you know that you can access the file of Windows. One second, I have to off this power of this. Yeah, you know that you can access the file of Windows from Kali Linux. Is it clear? Here is the yeah. Here this is the file of my Windows, and this one is also the file of Windows. Okay, but here this one the file is of my Kali Linux. Okay, second and third. Second drive is for Windows C drive, and third drive is for Windows D drive, and first one is the Kali Linux drive. Okay, and if I am able to access the file of Windows from Kali Linux, then I can clear the password of SAM and system file. Okay, through the command which is chntpw, but chntpw command will not work in my system. There is a chntpw. Okay, here is the chntpw command, but chntpw command didn't work in my PC, so you have to use this command in your PC. Okay, how can you show that? I will show you. First of all, you have to go on Windows. Where is the Windows file? No, here is the Windows file. Windows, you have to open system 32. System 32. After that open config file. Config. Yeah, this one is the config file. This is the SAM file and system file. You can also yeah, chntpw hyphen l. It means list the user. SM it means SAM database. Okay, but here it will not work in my PC. Okay, yeah, this didn't work in my PC. Okay, yeah. CHNTPW, yeah, CHNTPW is used for blank the SAM database and system database. Okay, yeah, blank the system data, blank the password of Windows and blank the password of system. Okay, I will tell you about that. How can this work? So you have to share your screen, and after that you will use your and after that you will use this command, okay? Because sometimes it works, sometimes it will not work in my PC. But before month it is not working in my PC. Okay. Is there any problem? Okay. Now practice this. Meet you tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Thank you.